Introducing the Personal Brand Pack, your all-in-one toolkit designed to elevate your content and build a consistent, cinematic brand identity. Packed with over 120 premium assets across carefully curated categories, including intro cards, typography, callouts and pointers, timelines, lists, time and date, image loaders, and infographics. This pack gives you the creative flexibility to stand out with ease. Everything is drag and drop, fully customizable, and built to save you time. Adjust animation speed, layout, and design directly from the edit page. No keyframes, no hassle. Each element is resolution independent, compatible with any frame rate, and adapts seamlessly to any aspect ratio, giving you complete creative freedom across platforms. Whether you're a content creator or filmmaker, the Personal Brand Pack helps you create sleek, professional visuals that reflect your unique style. Unlock your creative potential with the Personal Brand Pack for DaVinci Resolve.